guys! So today we are going to be talking about the difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes. And then we're going to be matching these shapes to different objects I found around my house. Okay? So let's go over our 2D shapes first. These shapes are flat. That means you can fit them in between your hands like a pancake. Flat. So our first flat 2D shape is a square. A square has 4 corners, or 4 vertices, and 4 sides, and they are all the same size. This one is a triangle. A triangle has 3 corners, or 3 vertices, and 3 sides. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now triangles, this is tricky. They all have to have 3 sides and 3 corners, but the sides can be different lengths. They can be different sizes, okay? And it doesn't mean it's not a triangle. It still is a triangle as long as it has 3 corners and 3 sides. Now this one is a rectangle. A rectangle is kind of like a square. It has 4 corners or 4 vertices and 4 sides, but a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, okay? And a circle does not have any corners. It just goes around, no corners at all. So those are all 2D shapes. Remember, you can smack them in between your hands and they're flat like a pancake. Now, 3D shapes are a little different. So 3D shapes add dimension, which means you can't fit them in between your hands. They kind of blow out. So if we take a circle and we blow it like a bubble, so if I take a circle that's round and I go, I would blow it into a sphere or a ball if you want to call it that. But this is a sphere. So that means it has one face. It goes all the way around like this. Okay, just one face. So I'm going to see if I can stick that. Stay. Okay, hopefully our sphere stays. Next one that I'm going to show you what a cube is. A cube is if you took a square and you blew the square. You took the square you had and you blew it out to make it multi-dimensional. And it has 6 faces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. So 6 faces of a square and 8 corners. And that is a cube. So you can rotate a cube. Let's see if I can get that to stay. See, it's sticking out. When a square lays flat, a cube sticks out. Okay, let's look at a cone. A cone has a flat circle on the bottom, but the cone looks like you took the circle, you grabbed all around it, and you pulled it up, you stretched it up into a point. So it kind of looks like an ice cream cone, doesn't it? So a cone has one circle face and one point at the top. Let's see if this will stick. Okay, the next one we also have to take a circle to get. This is a cylinder, or you might look at it, looks like a can. So a cylinder has 2 faces, a circle face on the bottom and a circle face on the top. And it looks like if you had a flat circle on the bottom and you stretched it up, and then you put a circle on the top. So again, this is multi-dimensional, which means it sticks out. So I'm going to try to stick that right there. Okay, so I have a few objects, and we are going to try to determine if they are 2D or 3D, and then we're going to match them to whatever shape we have. So the first one I have, you see what the sticky stuff is? This is actually the top of an envelope I got. I got some mail, a little tiny piece of mail you can see, and this is the top of it. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3 points, 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3 sides. So what shape is that? Is this a 2D shape or a 3D shape? Let's do the test. Can I smack it between my hands? Oh, it's flat like a pancake. And it has 3 points and 3 sides, which means it's a triangle. So I'm going to get my magnet, and I'm going to stick that up there. So I now have my triangle, my 2D triangle. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this one's silly. I have a picture of me and my friends when we were in 4th grade. See, this one's me right there. I had bangs. So this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So let's see here. Our shapes could be a square or a rectangle. My shape, my picture, has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, which means it can't be a square because squares all have the same size. So it has to be a rectangle. Okay, I have some stamps on a piece of paper right here. Now this has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 corners, and they're all the same size. So that means it has to be a square. So put that right up there. Oh, here's a big one. I have a paper plate. Do you think I can smush this like a pancake? Yep. It's flat. And it doesn't have any sides or no corners. So it has to be a circle. So I'm going to match it to the circle. It's bigger than my circle. Okay. So now let's do some 3D shapes. Okay, the first one I have is my salt shaker. So I have a circle on the bottom, a circle on the top, and it goes straight up. So this one must be a cylinder. It matches my other cylinder. And this is too heavy to tape up, so I'm just going to have to put it down. Next one we have is a ball. This is a tennis ball. My doggy's toy. It has no corners, only one face. This must be a sphere. It matches my other ball. Okay, I have, oh, my dog's heard the squeak. Get out of here, Nelson. I have a Unifix cube. So the Unifix cube has 6 sides and 8 points. So this one must be a cube. Does it match my cube? Yep. Okay, and the last one I have is a traffic cone. So the bottom is a circle, and you pull it up, stretch it up to a point. So this must be a cone, just like my other cone. So on your seesaw assignment, my JK1s are going to be matching 2D shapes together. So you're going to be finding pictures and you're going to match them to shapes, or the 2D shapes. My JK2s, you are going to be matching 3D shapes to the correct 3D shape. So 3D objects into 3D shapes. So you'll be doing that on Seesaw today. Okay, so I want you to have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you later.